Join me as I take on the challenge of mastering English in just a few minutes. Can I really do it? In today's globalized world, being able to communicate effectively in English is more important than ever. Whether you're looking to advance your career, travel, or connect with people from different cultures, mastering English can open doors to new opportunities. But let's be real, learning a new language can be daunting. Many of us struggle with vocabulary retention, and it's easy to get discouraged when we can't seem to remember new words. Others may feel anxious about speaking with native speakers, worried that we'll make mistakes or sound silly. And then there are those who get frustrated with grammar rules, feeling like they're just too complicated to learn. I've been there too, trying to memorize lists of words only to forget them a few days later. But here's the thing. These struggles are normal, and they're not insurmountable. With the right approach, anyone can improve their English skills and become a confident communicator. So what can we do to overcome these challenges? One strategy that's worked for me is to practice English every day, even if it's just for a few minutes. This can be as simple as listening to a podcast, reading a news article, or chatting with a language exchange partner. Another technique that's helped me is to focus on learning phrases and sentences, rather than just individual words. This way I can start using English in context right away. There are also some amazing resources available to help us learn English, from language learning apps to YouTube channels and podcasts. And I think one of the most effective methods is to immerse ourselves in the language as much as possible. Watch English movies, listen to English music, and try to speak with native speakers as often as we can. Take my friend, for example, who went from being a beginner in English to having fluent conversations with native speakers in just a few months. She did it by practicing every day, using a combination of language learning apps, watching English TV shows, and speaking with language exchange partners. Her progress was incredible, and it's a testament to the power of consistent practice and the right strategies. If she can do it, I can do it, and you can too. The key is to find what works for you and stick with it. So, what do you say? Are you ready to take on the challenge of mastering English? To recap, mastering English quickly and effectively is achievable with the right mindset and strategies. We've covered some practical tips and techniques, from daily practices to useful resources and engaging methods. If you've had any experiences learning English, or if you have any questions, I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. And if you're looking for more language learning tips, be sure to check out my other videos.